Cooking for one is a bit of a nuisance, it really is. It's actually quite difficult to do it, so it's actually far easier, I find, to adjust the recipe, and the pots I've got are about the right size. Well, I'm actually now cooking for 3 every time. If you actually cook it once and you realise that it's tasty, edible, and you've managed to do it yourself, it sort of gets you started. Prior to this, generally I was always buying stuff that we used to throw in the oven to heat up. Pierce and pings, as they call them, or the old ready meals. Well, I suppose I always wanted to learn to cook, but it never sort of got around to it. I heard of one here in Hackney, and I went along to it. And I actually went there twice. But I found all I did is I came home, I had a memory of it and some paper and some recipes, but I didn't really get started, until I went to the Bags of Taste course. And as I've always said, the bag, you come home with a bag, and that's how you get started. And once you get started, you get over that initial hurdle. You find it becomes a lot more easier to get into that routine now of cooking for yourself.